Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home and applying all the precautionary measure for the safety of your family and yourself also. Or it is the time to prevent yourself and your family because it's spreading very fast in India. So welcome back. Physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang, which is known as Divyang. Children with special need, those are disabled one. Those are having any functional disorder, disability, physical disability, cognitive disability, intellectual disability. Okay, chapter 4, class plus 1 part 10, or it is final part of this chapter. Okay. So in previous part, we talk about the Paralympic, Deaflympics, disabilities, why these disabilities or disorder, or we can say that challenge person become in their life, what was the reason, genetics, some reasons are there because of genetics, because of any accidental, because of any medical treatment, many are there. Or today we will do various professionals, various professionals for children with special need. Okay, here single F, okay. Many professions are there, to help the children who is having disability, who is having special need, to encourage them to improve their self-esteem. Means these are the aims of the education system, we can say inclusive education, to improve their lifestyle. In lifestyle, their physical development, their mental development, and their intellectual development, their social development, their skills, their reading skills, their how to remove their disability, how to engage them in work, how to make them that they can survive their life without any external help. It is the main motive of these professionals. So 3-4 professions are there under this various profession for the children with special need, who are continuously helping the child who is having a special need. So if we talk about first one is there special education counselor, special education counselor. Okay. Second one is there occupational therapist. Occupational therapist. Third one is there physiotherapist. Their work are there physiotherapist, special educator, physical education teacher, physical education teacher, speech therapist, and special educator. Okay. Special education counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, speech therapist or special educator. Okay, these 6 are the professions under this category to improve the level of children with special need, to improve their lifestyle, to improve their social, mental, intellectual abilities, physical abilities, or to give them proper guideline for their future. So at first we will talk about the special education counselor. Counselor, the person who is having a lots of knowledge regarding psychology. Nowadays what happen? One thing I want to tell you, if we talk about the surveys, like in India, we can say the craze toward the social media, it's come in existence maybe in 2007, 8, 9, 10, or after 2010 it is continuously increasing till now. Before that 2008 or 10, we can say cases of the person who is depressed, one who who commits suicide, that were not this much. Recently a report also given by that, I think, about suicides in India, or it is increased cause of lockdown, cause of that social media, cause of any disability disorder. Many reasons were there, or many reasons are there. Recently one example is there of Sushant Singh Rajput, continuously going on in the news. Okay, so special education counselor, duty of these counselors are to talk with the person who is having a problem, even it is a normal one, or even it is a person who is having special need. Okay, so counselor play a very significant role for the normal person who is having any problem, cause of any circumstance, cause of any environment, cause of any accident, cause of any other reason, cause of family also, cause of friend circle, cause of society, or special children with special need, cause of their disability, cause of their challenging things. Problem is there, so special education counselor will talk with the students, talk with the child. He will apply the methods, he will apply the method of questions to the child to bring out the real problem, to bring out the genuine problem of the child. Or when through their method they caught the problem, then they will give the way how to solve it to the children. It is the main work of the counselor. Or nowadays, cause of today's lifestyle, if we see lots of people, if we talk about out of 10 or 2 or 3 people are in depression or stress. So to bring out them from the stress or depression, the main role played by the counselor. Okay, so nowadays in every school, each and every school, it is compulsory a counselor must be there for the children's counseling, because different type of children came in the school. We don't know what is the mentality, or many cases we face that cause of any family problem, they are not living their life happily. They used to sit alone. They not share their views, or we can say they not talk with anybody. So to find out these type of student, it is a responsibility of teacher also, or to identify these type of child, give direction or handle that child to the counselor, or counselor will talk with student, apply the different type of method, or he will bring out the genuine problem of the child, or help the child to solve that problem, or to help to live the life normally. Okay, so it is the work of the counselor, both side, children with special need also, because if we talk about in our society, they are not having a, we can say, ample opportunity or we cannot say that there is no discrimination with the child who is having special need. Somewhere people in society taunting them, somewhere teasing them, cause of that they become frustrated, stressed, or sometimes they try to harm themselves. Okay, so it is the work of counselor to help the child who is having special need. Second one is occupational therapist. Occupational, that word occupational showing us that what is the meaning, मतलब काम, हमारा काम, कार्य, we can say what is the occupation of your father. You told my father is a farmer, but to become a farmer, to become a teacher, to become a businessman, many skills are required. At first we can say primary skills means our body must be fit and fine, our motor skills, our neuromuscular coordination, our hand-eye coordination, that we can do our daily normal lifestyle work very easily. Okay, so occupational therapist help the children with special need. Not only these students, in normal side also, normal students or normal people also, they help how to improve the motor skills. Motor skills, like if I am writing, it is also a part of motor skill. I am walking, it is also a part of motor skill. I am speaking fluently, means what is the demand from your side, or I am speaking the same thing that you will understand easily. It is also a part of the motor skills. So occupational therapist help the child to improve their motor skills, that they can survive or they can live their life normally without any problem. Even we cannot say that they will help other child or other person, especially for their for themselves only, for their self only, that they can do their daily work easily, they can eat properly, they can take bath easily, they can wear clothes easily, or any normal work, through that they can earn some money to fulfill their daily needs. Okay, so for these type of work, make them ready. It is the work of occupational therapist. The occupational therapist help the child to improve their motor skills. Next one is physiotherapist. Physiotherapist, major role is there of physiotherapist in physical education and sports, or even rest of the life also. If we talk about normal one, businessman, any other, like we can say farmer is there, any driver is there, any teacher is there, in sports and game there is a major role. So physiotherapist, what physiotherapists do? Children with special need. Sometime what happen, a child is suffering from a physical disability, but people don't know we can prevent him or we can improve him, we can bring him out from this disability. That process only know the physiotherapist. The main program of the physiotherapist is rehabilitate, punarvas. Punarvas means, for example, a person got injured. Okay, a person got injured in accident, we can say, on playground, we can say, in field, we can say, or at home also. So a person got any injury, maybe normal one or major one. Okay, so at first the person go to the doctor gave medicine, maybe fracture is there, plaster is there, or any other therapies he told. But to bring the, we can say, joint, to bring the body part back to the normal position, for that special therapies only a physiotherapist know how to rehabilitate the body part, we can say joint, we can say bone, muscles, skin, anything. A physiotherapist know how to rehabilitate that injury. So in the case of children with special need, physiotherapist also play a significant role. Some disabilities, physiotherapist can bring the child in, we can say 60-70% in normal position, or they can live their life freely or happily. So it is the work of physiotherapist, or work of physiotherapist also relate with the occupational therapist, because whenever a person got injury, it affect the motor skills. So to improve the motor skills through physiotherapist, he having some medical treatment, some therapies, we can say hydrotherapy, some ultraviolet rays, we can say ultrasound rays होती हैं, okay, through that, or some exercise also, rehabilitating exercise. At first slowly we will do the exercise. Suppose a person got fracture in the arm, so in the beginning plaster is there, but when plaster is removed, doctor always suggests to the patient that you have to take treatment for 1 or 2 months from the physiotherapist, or a physiotherapist provide the patient some exercise schedule, some medical therapies, some hydrotherapies, we can say bandage, or applying that pain relief wax, or we can say gel. So through exercise these physiotherapists bring normal a patient, or a, we can say a disabled person. If we talk about for a disabled person, we cannot say that he will bring the patient in normal position 100%, but 40, 50, 60% they can rehabilitate the disability. So it is the work of physiotherapist, or when disability become little bit normal, it help to improve the motor skill. So these two somewhere same but different they are. Physical education teacher, here is the work of physical education teacher. Physical education teacher also know some methods or some exercise to help the children with special need. Here we will talk about the physical exercise are the method to improve the psychology level of also psychology level and the physical level. Suppose a person having a disability means in the body part, we can say leg, hand, or upper superior or inferior, posterior, interior, whatever it is, means proper fitness is not there, but physical education teacher give him a plan according to his capability. General to specific, we cannot say specific to general to specific, that a disabled person do some exercise according to them which he can easily adapt. It is the duty of physical education teacher to provide the environment, to provide the exercise according to the capability of the children with special need. Then he will do the exercise, or then he can improve his lifestyle through the games and sports. Okay, speech therapist, we know in many field, we can say, or in many type of people are unable to speak properly. That is the work of speech therapist to make them speak properly. Some methods speech therapists know to help, how to help them, then they can speak fluently, or they can speak properly without a person who is the listener, he can understand easily what a person who is having disability he is speaking. So it is the work of speech therapist. Special educator, the work of special educator is give special education. Special education means, work of special educator means, at first he will evaluate the existing skill in the children with special need, or he will check which type of schedule, which type of work he have to do on the disabled person, that he can also bring more improvement in his behavior, in his motor skills. So it is the work of special educator. So these 6 are there. Simply from the word we can understand what will be the work of the special education counselor related to psychology. Occupational means occupation of any of type of occupation we need motor skill, fitness. Okay, physiotherapist means, we can say, from the injury to rehabilitate program. Special education teacher means provide the proper schedule, proper plan, proper environment, proper equipment to the child who is having a disability. Speech therapist means it is related to the speaking skill, or special educator means at first he will check the existing skill, or after that he will evaluate which type of work he have to provide to the special need child, and then a child who is having a disability, how much he can improve. That is the work of the special educator. So it is the last part of this chapter. Dear student, check it, or I send you the PDF what I taught you through these points. That is maybe a brief but important thing, but more than this you will find in the chapter through PDF. Okay, points are there, like 5-6 points are with special, these 5-5-6 points are there with that, but all related to what I told you. Okay, so for today this much. We'll see you in the next part. I think that is yoga, very important part for you or for me also. So check the videos properly. PDF we will provide you, maybe PDF you will get when there is an end of this chapter, or from next time we will provide you with the first part of the topic, full chapter PDF, meaning in advance you can get also some knowledge. So sabhi ko namaste, take care of your health. Thank you.